I think for the federal government to regain control over the pandemic, they need to do a couple of things. And I think the first big thing that they need to do is to finally admit that there is a pandemic that is happening that they can actually do something about. The easiest thing that they could do in order to start to slow the pandemic down is to institute some kind of mandated mask policy that covers when we should use masks, where we should use masks, etc. Right now, all the mask mandates are on state levels, and in some cases, not even at state level, at individual city and county level. So we really need the federal government to come in with a big federal mask mandate. The other thing the federal government really needs to do, and really needs to do quickly, is get their testing situation under control. There needs to be testing done of people who are symptomatic. There needs to be testing done of all of their asymptomatic contacts. And the government should be able to mobilize test production and mobilize facilities that can quickly process these tests, like we've seen in other countries. We've seen other countries like South Korea and Germany and Sweden, and not Sweden. We've seen other countries like South Korea, Germany, New Zealand, really get their act together very quickly on a federal level to make sure tests are available and contact tracing is done efficiently. That's the simplest thing that the government can do to get this pandemic under control.